Good morning, or no, good afternoon, y'all. Good afternoon. I'm getting ready to go to Bath and Body Works because y'all know the semi-annual sale starts this afternoon or this evening for app reward members. If you're not part of the app reward program, I did post something on my community tab, so you could find a zip code to use that's in your state or in your area, or you could just use 90210. But I personally used a zip code in my state. So yeah, and then just sign up like you would normally do. Follow the instructions. So yeah, today the semi-annual sale starts at 6 Eastern time for app reward members. Tomorrow it officially starts. I'm excited for that. I'm ready to go, and I'm going to check out some of the stores. I did one store yesterday to see the Florissant, to see what they have and what they're going to put out. I'm ready to go to another store to check out the Florissant. I'm just trying to figure out which store I want to shop at. Like I told y'all in some of my other videos, you have to shop multiple stores. Don't just shop one store, because every store is different. Every store has different stuff. You know, if you're looking for like Christmas stuff or the stuff that was in the early part of the year, you got to remember, sometimes people return those items, so therefore you have to kind of go to other stores to see what they have. So yeah, that's actually what I'm gonna do, just to see if they brought out anything new, to see what they have, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything today inside the store. Now, if I see one of my treasure finds, yes, I will buy it at the whatever price and then do a price adjustment, because you just treasure finds is items that you can't always find, you don't always see. Just like in the other video, I found that springtime in Paris. I couldn't leave that behind. I could not, because that candle is super hard to find. You will not. Now, it's a chance that you might find it in stores, but it's slim to none. So I could not leave that candle behind. If you see that coconut eclair, toasted coconut eclair, that's another treasure find that you probably will not find just anywhere. So that's the reason for me going into the stores now. Side note, y'all know I just bought this new tripod. It does not fit on my dashboard, so I have to hold the camera now. I think I'm gonna go back to Best Buy and buy the matter of fact, I might do that now. I think I'm gonna go back to Best Buy and buy the shorty, because I like the shorty better. It fits in my purse. This one is a little longer. It most definitely will work with some of my other cameras, but as far as with this GoPro, I love the fact that it could fit inside my purse, and with this long tripod, it ain't working for me. Even though I do really like the tripod, it's just a little bit long, and I hate that I have to actually hold it. So yeah, getting back to what I was saying, if y'all was just wondering why I'm moving all over the place, it's because I'm actually holding it. Normally it's on my dashboard. If I find something, then I might buy it. If I don't, then I'm just really going to look anyway. So I probably will place an order tonight, but you have to remember, from what I'm noticing, Bath and Body Works did put a lot of the semi-annual sale candles online. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. I decided to extend it, so now I can kind of talk a little bit, but it feels like it's in my face. And my back seat is a little junky, but whatever. If you did notice, Bath and Body Works did put some of the candles online this morning. Some of the candles hit online. The downside about that is that it's not showing that they're in stores, even though we all know in some of your stores you can find these candles. So hopefully they lower the price to the semi-annual sale price. That's the only way that I'm going to place an order. If they do not lower the price, then it's a pass for me, and I would just wait until Saturday morning. So yeah, that's about it. So let's head on up here to the store and grab what we gonna grab, or see sorry, or see what we could see what's in the store, see the Florissant, see what kind of deals they have. Hopefully we find some treasures, some treasure finds. If not, it ain't no big deal. So let's head on up here because it's actually late. It's after 1 o'clock, and y'all know I normally usually be out way before now. But so let's head on up here, see what we could see what we could find, if we could find some treasure finds or nothing. At least we know what's in the store. So let's head up here. Welcome to 2022 spring/summer semi-annual sale. This is the sale we've been looking forward to all year or half the year. I'm so excited. The red bins is out. I don't know how I feel about these red bins. I'm kind of on the fence. I like the fact that it puts more product on the floor, but it can be messy. And y'all will see as I was going through these little bins, one of the shower gels was open. And of course it got all over my hands. So that's the part I really don't like about these bins. I feel like a lot of the product is wasted because most of the time when people grab stuff out of these bins, they don't close it back. They just throw it back in there and that be that. So I'm a little bit on the fence about the bins. But I am so happy that semi-annual sale is finally here. They have so much product. And as you do see, if y'all can see the people in the background, most of those people is the workers, the associates, restocking the shelves, putting new products out, things of that nature. This store wasn't prepared all the way, but like I always told y'all, they always late and slow. But as y'all do see some of the new products, this is my demo of the fine fragrance mist. They do have that bubble gum and then that orange vanilla cream or whatever it was. They did have all of those new body care scents. They okay, but of course y'all know I'm not huge on Bath and Body Works body care, but I might grab some of these if they go cheap enough. But straight out the gate, I'm kind of sort of on the fence. This store did not have any of the watermelon blast, so I had to order that online. I'm just saying, y'all, when the semi-annual sale kicked off for the early, I did place an order for that and I did get it for 50%. That kind of sucked, but that's what I get for waiting late. So some of these products is probably going to be a pass for me. It was nice to smell them in the store, but as far as purchasing them, if they go 75%, then yes, your girl will pick up a few. As far as this store and candles, yes, they did have those new candles out, but nothing outside of that. Nothing like any treasure finds. They didn't have any of that at this store from what I could see, but as y'all do see in the background, they are working. Everybody is working. Most of those people in the background is the sales associates. They are working super hard. I truly appreciate it because this is one of our smaller stores. And on an event like this store be jam-packed. Jam-packed. So this might be a store that they probably limit how many people could go into the store. I could see a line being at this store, but I don't know if that's what they're gonna do. But this store did have a lot of merchandise. They had a lot of product. They did have the the pink petal tea cake candle. They had all of those, but again, they didn't have any of the Christmas candles, but they did have some of the Christmas body care. So I'm assuming that stuff probably will be 75%. But as far as all of these bins, I could see these, I think on the website, these were like $4.95, I believe, but today they were like 50% off. So I didn't buy anything at this particular moment because I'm actually going to wait for semi-annual sale to kick off. This probably will be one of the stores that I will shop. Probably my last store that I'll go to, but they did have some nice stuff. But I am so excited for this sale. Y'all just don't know. I am super excited, and I cannot wait to get in the stores. So hopefully y'all have your game plan ready, your wish list ready, your money and your credit cards that you've been saving up for all this time. Hopefully you have all of your stuff prepared and you're ready to go shopping. But again, you know, every store is different, so make sure you shop a number of the stores, because every store is different. You got to remember, a lot of us is exchanging. Instead of buying new candles, we doing a lot of exchanges. So therefore, that's how you're gonna find your treasure finds, you know, because you got to kind of wait for people to come in and exchange those good candles. Well, at least they don't think they're good, but we think they're good. So that's the way that you're going to find those gems or treasure finds. You just have to be patient. So let's look at the rest of this video. And happy semi-annual sale, y'all. Happy semi-annual sale. Okay, y'all, I just left out of the Bath and Body Works. They had a lot of nice stuff. As y'all did see, they did put out some of the Christmas stuff. No new candles. Yes, the semi-annual sale candles, but nothing special. No gems, no treasure finds, nothing like that. But I guess, you know, with this sale, you kind of gotta wait until people return stuff in order to find those treasure finds, because most of that stuff is long gone. And yeah, but the store was well stocked. It was so many workers in there. I did smell that bubble gum body care. It's nice. It'll most definitely be good to blend with something else. I might grab one of those. Now I'm kind of on the hunt for that watermelon blast, because when they first released it, I never did get any of that, and now just about everybody is sold out. So hopefully that's something I can find. Hopefully that's something I can find. If I don't find it, it's not a big deal. But semi-annual sale is on the way. Well-stocked stores, a lot of candles. Those candle holders is going to be marked down. They're not really saying how much they're going to be marked down. I think I might grab, I don't know. I'm on the fence about the candle holders. I kind of want that rainbow candle holder, but then it's still feeling like I should pass on that. I don't know. So many things to choose from. So this is finna go down in a couple of hours. It's gonna go down. So leave in the comments, have you walked through your store to see what they have, what's out, and making your list according to your store? or you just gonna wait and just see what happens. So leave that in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, hit the notification bell. Also follow me on all of my social media platforms. Also follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help my channel, and I truly appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.